So in this VN Video Editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to speed up a video here on VN Video Editor. So if I were to play my video right here, as you can tell, it's playing at normal speed. If you wanted to speed this up, it's pretty straightforward. Select your clip, which is, it's selected right now. Then go to this bottom bar, slide it to the right a little bit to where it says speed, and select that. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and do a curve speed or regular speed. So for example, if you wanted to change this to like double the speed, you can go ahead and do this. Then if I were to play the video right here, as you can tell, it's double the speed. If you want to go ahead and maybe adjust this to, I don't know, a curve speed, or you want to make it a little bit slower as well, you can do the same thing and just play around with it this way. So go to speed, press regular. You can just kind of figure it out this way. You can do curve speed as well. Which is pretty cool. So if I wanted to do this right here, it'll kind of go fast forward, do what you got to do, or you can go to regular speed and play around with it this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to speed up a video on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.